Hey everyone, I'm Mark Stanford, an adjunct professor here at Cabrillo College in the departments of Psychology and Human Services. I'm going to talk a little bit about the Spring 2021 online course HSERV 162, the Pharmacology and Physiology of Substance Use and Co-occurring Disorders. You'll love it, I think. Have you ever wondered what gives a drug an abuse potential? How do drugs affect brain and behavior? Does addiction have a genetic basis, and does it run in families? Is cannabis addictive? And why was there an opioid epidemic? And is treatment for substance use disorders very effective? How do we know? For the answers to these and other questions, we'll explore together in a fantastic journey of HSERV 162. So the course is an asynchronous online learning, which means that every week, learning modules are completed at the learner's own pace. There's personalized access to your instructor, me, within 48 hours and often considerably less than that. The course is based on current research-based information on substance use and co-occurring disorders. The course is also appropriate for all healthcare professionals, but in particular, it satisfies the CCAP and KD education requirements for pharmacology and physiology for those individuals who are considering a career as a certified professional alcohol and drug abuse counselor. Here's the text we're using. It's Julian's Primer of Drug Action, 14th edition. Awesome. And we'll explore the neurochemical, physical, and mental effects of commonly used psychoactive drugs. And an emphasis will be placed on the basic pharmacology of drugs, the medical consequences of repeated and compulsive use, and the therapeutic approaches for treating substance use disorders. Of course, we'll also explore the medications that are of significance in treating several categories of psychiatric disorders, including anxiety, depression, bipolar illness, and schizophrenia. What the science tells us about addiction is, although the onset of substance use disorder begins with the voluntary act of taking drugs, continued use can change to involuntary and compulsive use. And this compulsion results from a combination of biopsychosocial factors, including the dramatic changes in brain function. And really, in just the last 10 or so years, advances in science has revolutionized our fundamental views of substance use disorders and has also resulted in vastly improved evidence-based treatments. Pharmacology is science of understanding how drugs act on the body, and conversely, how the body acts on drugs. Pharmacology focuses on how a drug gets into the body, where in the body the drug acts, and how the body gets rid of the drug. Psychopharmacology, the primary focus for HSERV 162, is the study of the effects that drugs have on human behavior, including substance use and mental health disorders. And I could be somewhat biased, but I really think this is perhaps one of the most fascinating and informative courses offered at Cabrillo College. I don't know. See what you think. So whether you're preparing for CCAP or KD, or need CEUs, or want a refresher course on the science of addiction, or you're just plain interested in the topic, come and check out HSERV 162 at Cabrillo College. Spring semester, distance learning online, and I hope to see you there. Thanks.